Hello, this is your good friend Ramp 101. Today I have to show you is this. Not a real gun, don't worry. So this is a old antique cap gun. So it's a little rusty, but I'm here to show you some things that I have learned how to do with it. First thing to note is that the trigger is pretty hard to pull because it's got some rust in the interior. So instead, to pull the trigger and slack the hammer down, I cock it like you would a normal revolver and do it that way. So there's something there. I can twirl it. Hold on, let me get a better view. Hold on. I can't hold it for long because the trigger is very small. There you go. Anyways, so let me see if I can actually get a full one, just pressing the trigger. No, I'm not strong enough. Okay, so I can also fan it, but I need to use both hands, and I don't have a free hand right now. I think it's pretty cool. Let's get some better look in here. So, this is a little bit of the interior here. You might even be able to get a look-see into where the rest is. It's right there. Maybe someday I can fix that on there. But, this is your good friend, Team Rock 101, signing out.